Okay guys, so video is going to explain what you need to complete for the Constitution Detectives assignment. This is a 2-day assignment. You'll have 2 separate sections to complete and submit each day. Now that we know all about the Constitution and you are pros at determining why this document is just so gosh darn important to us, we have a big task ahead of us. The Federal Constitution Detective Agency of America needs our help. Because we understand the Constitution, they're calling on us to help them investigate the meaning of the Constitution of the United States. It's going to be our job to help today. You're already completing step 1 by watching the video on what exactly you need to do for today. So great job. For step 2, we need to go ahead and access our missions. Let's go ahead and click on that. You'll notice that this is a PDF document, and you probably have worked with this kind of documents before. But if you're new, don't worry, I'm going to show you exactly what to do. You're going to move your mouse up to the front and see the words open with here. You're going to click the down arrow and select the Doc Hub option. It's going to go ahead and open it for you right now. Loading. And as it loads, you'll see that it's really similar to Google Docs. However, this nifty tool lets us write on the documents that we are working with if they're PDFs. So the way you're going to do that is look up at the top here and examine the icons. You'll see that there is a text tool, a draw tool, a highlight tool, lots of different tricks here. For mission 2, we are defining terms that are related to the Constitution. If we go back to our lesson really quickly, you'll see that I have provided some additional links to help you. You'll see that you're going to need today's worksheet. We already have that up. You're going to need a copy of the Constitution, and you're also going to need a dictionary. And I've provided links for us there that we can click on. I'll go ahead and get that dictionary up for us to help us out. So what you're going to do is look up the words in the dictionary and write the definition in the first box. So if we have our definition of amendment here, a change in the words or meaning of a law or document, we're going to go ahead and jump to our worksheet. We're going to click the text tool option and select where we want to type. You'll see that my mouse has turned into a plus sign and that there's kind of a little yellow box following it. Once I click, it lets me type. So I'm going to go ahead and write my definition in here. Once I click away from it, it's done. And if you ever want to get rid of a text box, there's a little X button you can hit and that'll make it go away. So that's how you write in DocHub. And you'll notice it saves just like Google Docs does. So you're going to go through and complete your assignment here using the website and the dictionary to help you out. You also need a copy of the U.S. Constitution. Okay? So let's go ahead and get that up for us here. So here's my Constitution. That's up and ready for us. Super duper. So let's look at our question here. It says, describe the events that led to the creation of the Constitution of the United States. This sounds like we need our prior knowledge for it. So go back to what you've learned so far in this unit to answer these. I'm going to go ahead and jump to mission 4 because that asks us about the Constitution. We're looking at Article 1 in mission 4. The question is, who has the power to make laws? Let's go to our online Constitution and look at Article 1. So we're looking to find out who makes laws here. So we can go through and kind of read and skim the Constitution. You can also use the Control F tool to help you locate keywords. So if I wanted to look for make or laws, that could help that way. But if we think about the area of government we're talking about here, the legislative branch. Let's go to our assignment and then answer it to the best of your abilities. So you would go through and complete this worksheet in that manner, just typing in your answers and noticing that they save in whenever you're done. And you'll notice that I'm clicking the little mouse button whenever I finish writing an answer to make sure I can navigate okay. So now that we've done that, you're going to go through and complete the remainder of this assignment in that manner. And remember, you can always use your notes, use the textbook to help you as well. I have included a copy of a constitution just in case to help you as well. So let's say we are ready and have finished the assignment. Once we have finished the assignment, here's how we save it. You'll notice that it already says saved. Make sure you put your name in the title so that I don't mix it up with someone else. See how I put Devlin at the end here? I'd like you to do the same. We're going to go to File, and we have a couple different options here. There's an option to send, an option to download, and a couple other items. I'm going to recommend that you download it and you save it to your Google Drive. I clicked Save As to make sure I save it as the correct item. So once you've done that, you're going to have to give it a title. Oops. Or you can just hit Save to Google Drive and it does that. You can click Show in Drive to have it take you right to it. There it is, Constitution Detectives Day 1. So I would double click on it to bring it up. And bam, there's my assignment. To share the link, just like I would for any other document, I would go up here and click on the 3 dots in the right-hand corner. I would then click the share option, and it'll look very similar to what we do when we have a Google Doc that we share. You're going to click to get the shareable link, copy it, and then you will paste it in the text box for the day. I'll show you what that looks like too. Now remember guys, I've already saved and copied the link. To submit this, just like you would with any other document you have in your Google Drive, you're going to go to the bottom of your lesson, click the Add Submission button, and then go to the online text box portion. When you get there, click, make your cursor blink, and then use your keyboard and press Control and V. That should paste the link in. All you have to do after that is click Save Changes. So guys, this was just a brief introduction, well, not that brief, on how to make sure you rock the Constitution Detectives activity today. This is a little bit lengthy, but I know you can do it. It's a great way to study and make sure we're ready for that test for Unit 2 in a couple days, okay? As always, I'm here to help if you need me. Don't worry, no question is too small or too silly, okay? Good luck, you got this.